Good morning, dear students. In the last session, we have seen properties of addition, adding four digit two numbers and adding 4-digit three numbers. Okay, students. Now we are going to start exercise 3A. Okay. So let us see. In that, question number 1 is add the following. Okay, 4-digit numbers are there and simple addition we have to do here without carryover, without regrouping. Okay, students. So let us start. In that, first one is 2503. 2503 plus 3214. 3214. Okay, students. So let us add these two numbers. See, always we are going to start from ones place. Yes, very good. So in the ones place, 3 plus 4, that gives 7. Yes, very good. Then 0 plus 1, that gives 1 only. Good. Now 5 plus 2, it gives 7. Good. Now 2 plus 3, that is 5. Good. Very good, students. So we got the answer 5717. Got it? Very good. Very simple it is. Yes or no? Yes. Good. So next we will see, that is B1. Okay. Here I will write. B1. 4632. 4632 plus next is 3145. 3145. Okay. So let us add from which place? Yes, from ones place. So see the digits. 2 plus 5, that gives 7. Yes, good. Now 3 plus 4, it gives again 7. 6 plus 1, it gives again 7. Yes. Now 4 plus 3, that is also again 7. So we got the answer 7777. Okay, got it? Very good, students. Now see, students, what you have to do? You have to solve the remaining four examples. Okay. Will you solve it? Yes, very good. Very simple it is. Just you have to add without regrouping, without carryover. Okay, students. Now next question we will see, that is question number 2. Write in column form and then add the following. Okay. So here you have to write the numbers, write the given numbers in column. Okay. You have to arrange the numbers properly and then you have to add. Okay. See, I will show you how to arrange the numbers in columns. Okay. See, first one is given. Question number 2. That is in that A1, 4352 plus 247. Now see, children, one number is 4-digit number and another one is 3-digit number. Okay, so how to add this? See, let it first of all we will make columns. Okay, so 4-digit numbers are there, so we have to do 4 columns. Okay, we have to make 4 columns, that is 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. Now we will write first number, that is 4352. Okay, and then we will write another number plus 247. So 2 is in hundreds column. So we will write this in hundreds column only. Okay, we will not start from this 1000 place. Okay student, remember this properly. How to write? See carefully the places. So 200, 447. Like this only we have to write. Got it? Okay. Now we will add these two numbers. 2 plus 7, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. And now here nothing is there. Means 0 is there. Always remember this thing. Okay. Now, so 4 plus 0, it gives 4 only. Got it? So we got the answer 4599. Okay. Understood this much? Okay, very good. Now again one more I will show you, and then remaining you have to do in your notebook, because here in the textbook place is not there. Okay, so we have to do that in our notebook. Okay students, see B1 I will show you. 4303 plus 1092. Okay, these two numbers we are going to add now. So first of all we will arrange these two numbers in the columns. Okay, so let us arrange 4303 plus 1092. Okay, so let us add. Always start from ones place. Good. So 3 plus 2, that gives 5. 0 plus 9, it gives 9 only. 3 plus 0, it gives 3. And 4 plus 1, 5. So we got the answer 5395. Clear? So remaining sums you have to do in your notebook. Okay students? So those who are not having textbook, for them I am going to send it. Okay, in the form of PDF. So you have to write this in your notebook. Question number 2 in notebook. Question number 1 in textbook only. Okay, there is place, so we can solve there only. Okay students, now we will see question number 3. What is that? Find the sum of, see now here 3 numbers are there. 4 digit 3 numbers are there that we have to do. Okay, and this question also you have to solve in your notebook student. Okay, so see you have to arrange the numbers like this. Okay, one below another. Okay students, and then you have to add the numbers. This is also a simple addition without carryover. Okay, you have to do it in your notebook. Question number 2, question number 3 you have to do in your notebook, and then we will go further, add the following. Question number 4. Okay, see here also you have to add 3 numbers. Okay, 4 digit 3 numbers, but without carryover. Okay students, so this question number 4, this also you have to do in your notebook. Okay student, you have to arrange the numbers first in columns, and then you have to do the addition. Okay, very simple. Do it at home. Okay student, and still you are getting some problem, then you can send me your queries on the WhatsApp group. Okay, or either you can send me the message. Okay students, now see question number 5, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, this question we will do in our textbook only. Okay, here only you can write the answer, place is there. Okay, so see in that first one is 3845 45 plus 0. What answer it will give? Yes, very good. It will give 3845 only, because 0, we are adding 0. Okay, so the same you have to write there. Okay, so the next one is 6192 plus dash is equal to 6192. So answer remains the same. What should we add? Then answer remains the same. Yes, very good. 0, obviously. Yes or no? So there you have to write 0. Then C. See carefully and listen. 8134 plus 1213 is equal to 1213 plus. Yes? Yes, very good. Is equal to 1213 plus 8134. Just change the order of addends. Okay? The value remains same. Okay? Here we are just what we are doing, just we are changing the order of addend. Okay? Now next, last one. D. 6000 plus 190 plus 2120 is equal to, here also the same. See, we are going to change the order of addends. Okay, 2120 plus dash plus 190. So which number is not there from these three numbers? That only you have to write there. Very simple, students. Okay. And I know, I am sure you will do it very properly. Okay, students. So do it properly. Okay. Good day. Take care.